Stop wasting your money. Everything you've been told about these chemical shampoos is a lie. You think they are cleaning your hair, but for most of us, they are the exact reason your growth has stalled. I'm talking about the sulfates that strip your scalp and the parabens that mess with your hormones. Look at this. This isn't just bad luck. This is your hair follicles being choked from the inside out by the products you trust. Whether it's at the front or the crown, the damage is the same. Your roots are starving for nutrients. This is my DIY Black Shampoo Coffee Growth Cocktail. It is dark, it's glossy, and it is a total powerhouse. Unlike the store-bought brands, this is formulated to block the hair loss hormone, DHT, right at the source. And it works because it goes deep. It floods these vessels with circulation and wakes up those dormant roots that chemicals have left for dead. I'm going to show you exactly how to mix these kitchen staples to create this life-saving treatment for your hair. And finally, by the end of this video, you won't have just a recipe, you'll have a strategy to save your hair's life. If you're ready for insane length and real volume, don't go anywhere and keep watching.
1, 2, 3.
For my first ingredient, we're using 1 spoon of coffee. Most people drink this to wake up, but your scalp needs it more. Coffee stimulates hair growth by increasing blood flow circulation directly to the scalp. For the next ingredient, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of ginger. Ginger is a legend for circulation. It reduces scalp inflammation and stimulates those dormant follicles. Now we're adding 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. You might feel a tingle when using this. This widens your blood vessels so nutrients can actually reach your roots. Plus, it's antifungal, so it's going to keep your scalp cleaner than it's ever been. Now I need to balance that stimulation with moisture, so I'll be using honey. Honey is a powerful humectant, meaning it locks moisture into the hair strand so it doesn't snap off. It will repair damage and it creates the perfect hydrated environments for those new hairs to grow right into. Now I'm adding my shampoo. You guys can use any shampoo of your choice. Whatever you have in your shower right now may work for you. I'll now mix everything together until it's a smooth, brown, glossy mixture. Look at this consistency. Combining coffee, ginger, and cinnamon, as well as honey, creates a growth cocktail. Now we're blocking DHT, boosting blood flow, and improving deep nutrition all at once. And this is exactly what you need. To make this mixture even more powerful, I'll now be adding 2 capsules of vitamin E for scalp repair. I'll now be adding about 1/6 cup of castor oil. Castor oil is the heavy hitter for thickness. And when you mix all of these into the shampoo, you're now turning a basic wash into a life-saving treatment for your hair. And this is what you call a call-up to save up your hair's life. I'm now using a funnel to transfer my mixture into my bottle. You can use any clean bottle that you have, but I prefer this type specifically because it will help me use the shampoo as needed. So guys, I'm all done now and I seriously cannot wait to use this. My scalp already feels like it's waking up. I hoped you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please share this video with your family and friends because everyone deserves better here. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more DIY secrets. And until the next video, bye!